burning.
Okay, there you go. Okay.
So who it is?
Excited.
Who's going first?
Is it recording?
We're all
Yeah.
going. So everybody's.
I want to go
Okay,
first.
open it.
Ryder.
Get all of us on the camera too. So.
You have to get Ryder too.
Okay, yeah. Show it to
Oh, you got
yourself.
myself.
First one.
Okay. Alright,
Yeah.
there's peppers.
Ow!
They even fucking smell hot.
What the heck? What?
I was soring my finger in it.
Very good.
Oh my god, you're so stupid.
Okay,
Oh, Ryder takes the smallest one in there.
No, it's huge.
Oh my god. So everybody has to bite it until I have that little. So.
Mine's puny.
Come on, everybody.
No, that's
Ready? Oh god. No, wait. Same time. I gotta have this ready. Ready? On three. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You guys are pathetic. Well, not as hot as I thought it would be.
Get the camera.
It is really good.
I suppose they're not hot. As I choke.
Wait, I was going for seconds. Keep
Oh.
going. That's not even bad.
We're all gonna have VD tonight.
Just like
Here we go.
Ryder spat. Oh, look how cute he is.
Come on.
I have two in my mouth.
Who wants to do the cinnamon thing, Tiffany?
I
I did it and I almost died. Ryder was laughing so hard. It's only been 2 minutes. I've eaten 3 of those.
I figured we'd only take
I've
one and be
eaten
like,
3
okay.
Now my stomach already
Ready?
hurt.
Here we go.
This is my fourth one.
Me too.
I can't swallow it.
Oh,
What's in your pants? You have a hole in your pants.
It's not even bad.
Oh,
You have to get the ones from like Mexico, the really hot ones.
the
habaneros.
yeah.
Like your oven grab have
No,
some.
I was like trying to swallow it and I like almost choked on it. So I like coughed it up.
I'm the only one that hasn't taken a drink yet.
I know, I just now took a drink.
Pussies.
Oh, I
I feel like I'm gonna puke, so.
My stomach hurt.
Actually pretty good. Okay, here goes Ryder.
We're gonna
Mars like, I'm gonna puke, and so he eats another
We're
one.
editing that part out. I was like, can't.
No.
Yeah, we
No,
are.
come on, right?
No, it's too nasty.
Ryder just spit everywhere.
You swallow it like that.
I bet if you ate enough of these, it'd like burn the acid in your stomach.
You burn a hole in your stomach.
Probably.
This is my fifth one. I'm gonna die.
I guess I had 6.
I've had 3. I can't eat anymore.
It might have been really big though. Nigger.
I'll try the cinnamon thing.
Okay. Ryder.
That too?
Go
I'm
get
gonna
me
probably
the
puke on
cinnamon.
that one almost.
I almost died.
I almost puked on mine. Like, your
Okay.
saliva's like all stringy and gross and slimy because it like it makes your mouth really bad, and it won't get off your teeth easy. She knows that.
And it like sticks in your throat.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah.
Okay, we're done.